This morning I decided that I wanted some sweet potato pancakes. Here are all of the ingredients, and you will find a list of their measurements below in the description. You want to first boil your sweet potato so that it's easily mashable like you see here. After that, we're going to go ahead and add in the almond milk, some vegetable oil, and then some maple syrup. Next, we're going to add in our eggs. Are you able to crack them with one or two hands? Typically, I like to use one, but since I'm doing a tutorial, I didn't want to mess it up. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract, and we're going to give that a good stir until everything is well blended together. As you can see, the consistency is rather thin, but that's okay because we're going to add in our dry ingredients. First, we have the flour, some baking powder, and then salt. You want to go ahead and mix that, blend that well. And once it's all blended, then you're going to add in that sweet potato mixture. And then you're just going to fold it in with the flour. My pancake mixture is a little too thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the remaining portions of the sweet potato mixture that I had done. And then just going to stir again until everything is blended well, until you have a good, nice pancake batter consistency. And once you have the right consistency, you're going to go ahead and cook them like you do your normal pancakes. And then voila! Here are my sweet potato pancakes. Let's go ahead and dress them up a little bit. I think the color looks really good. We're gonna top it off with some powdered sugar. And then I'm gonna add some chopped roasted pecans that I did on the stove top. If you think my pancakes look good, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you really like them, leave me a comment down below and subscribe so that you can see more of my delicious homemade meals and more of my health and wellness tips. See you next time.